Every day, millions of packages travel across oceans, guided by predictable shipping lanes and cargo manifests. But that efficiency disappears the moment goods enter a major metropolis and face the chaotic reality of urban traffic. This chart shows e-commerce fulfillment costs. The final segment, transit to the customer's door, consumes 28 to 53% of the shipping budget. Driven by inefficiency, up to 25% of last-mile attempts fail initially, forcing drivers to absorb costs to reattempt the drop-off. Historically, logistics companies used variations of the traveling salesperson problem, mathematical models designed to find the shortest possible path between multiple points. These static algorithms fail in the modern city because they cannot compute live variables like sudden lane closures, rainstorms, or customer availability. Resolving this bottleneck requires abandoning reactive, pre-planned route maps. Logistics providers are now deploying a multi-layered artificial intelligence ecosystem designed to compute the city in real time. This table details the performance impact of those AI components. Utilizing deep neural networks for route optimization has demonstrated a 40% reduction in operational costs. Achieving these metrics depends on stacking distinct machine learning architectures to systematically neutralize the physical, temporal, and human variables that make the last mile so expensive. The foundation of this ecosystem replaces rigid, zone-based delivery maps with a dynamic spatial routing engine powered by deep neural networks. Rather than distance alone, networks process live data simultaneously. The engine ingests traffic density, weather patterns, and package dimensions to generate an actively shifting route. The system then executes geographic clustering, distributing weight and volume across the active fleet to create high-density delivery clusters. This chart visualizes performance metrics achieved by dynamic routing networks. By calculating the most efficient path, the system yields a 22% reduction in total fleet distance. Load efficiency also improves, with vehicle capacity utilization increasing by 35% through intelligent delivery clustering. The engine maintains efficiency through continuous monitoring. If an accident blocks an intersection, the algorithm instantly modifies the drop-off sequence for any approaching vehicles. The resulting drop in idle time and unnecessary mileage yields a direct environmental benefit. Fuel consumption drops by up to 20%, dragging carbon emissions down by 25%. Mastering physical geography is only the first step. Moving efficiently from point A to point B is useless if the vehicle is deployed at the wrong time of day. Managing the flow of time requires a separate architectural layer. This introduces predictive analytics and time series analysis to the ecosystem. These models mine vast databases of historical delivery patterns, seasonal buying trends, and local event schedules to forecast exact demand surges days before a customer clicks purchase. Forecasting synchronizes capacity with demand. By knowing when volumes will spike, managers allocate the exact number of vehicles required for a shift. Matching assets to predicted volume eliminates dead space, driving a 26% reduction in empty vehicle movements. These advanced forecasting models also integrate external variables, like impending severe weather. By preemptively analyzing a storm's trajectory, the system reallocates resources and adjusts delivery windows before the disruption hits the city. This weather-aware forecasting drives a 24% reduction in delivery delays during peak operational periods. Workforce scheduling transitions from a reactive scramble to fill shifts into a mathematically optimized deployment strategy. Predictive analytics secures the temporal axis, ensuring resources are available at the exact right moment. The final variable to solve is the human being waiting for the package. The third layer of the architecture focuses on the point of delivery. This requires edge computing and sophisticated interface systems to manage unpredictable consumer behavior. Physical automation is handled by convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. These visual processing models automate package dimension analysis on the sorting floor to ensure the spatial engine has accurate data. CNNs also power visual confirmation systems at the doorstep. By automatically verifying proof of delivery images, they reduce false disputes and missing package claims. To manage the consumer directly, logistics networks deploy natural language processing architectures built on advanced transformer models. NLP replaces static tracking codes with dynamic communication interfaces. Customers can query arrival times, update access codes, or shift delivery preferences through automated systems that interpret their intent in real time. This table outlines how AI interfaces impact customer service economics. Automating communication drives a 35% improvement in customer satisfaction, while cutting support costs by 28%. By predicting availability, the system reduces failed first-time deliveries by 33%. Edge automation and NLP interfaces convert unpredictable customer habits into structured, computable data points, feeding them directly back into the spatial routing engine. Building this three-layer ecosystem requires immense engineering capital. It is far more complex than purchasing a software license. The primary barrier to deployment is the state of the underlying data. Machine learning models require absolute precision, and legacy logistics databases are often fragmented. Approximately 35% of existing delivery data requires substantial cleansing before an AI architecture can safely ingest it. Connecting these algorithms to decades-old infrastructure generates heavy friction, costing organizations 40% of their implementation budget on system integration. Mitigating the risk of catastrophic system failure requires strict data governance frameworks. Successful adoptions rely on heavily validated data pipelines and phased incremental rollouts. An optimized routing algorithm has zero operational value without the rigorous data pipeline architecture required to sustain it. When executed correctly, the spatial neural networks, temporal forecasting models, and NLP edge interfaces function as a single continuous data loop. This tight integration between route optimization, resource allocation, and customer communication is the mechanism that generates the 40% reduction in operational costs. This digital architecture serves as the prerequisite for the next evolution in physical delivery hardware. Autonomous vehicles and quadcopter drones function as the physical endpoints for this established AI architecture. An autonomous drone relies on the exact same spatial mapping, predictive weather analysis, and obstacle avoidance logic currently being refined in human-driven fleets. Industry projections indicate that these autonomous delivery systems will manage roughly 15% of all urban deliveries by 2025. As smart city infrastructure matures, these AI engines will communicate directly with urban traffic grids, syncing dispatch times with intersection lights and commercial loading zones. This continuously learning algorithmic ecosystem now defines the future efficiency of global commerce.